All right, you guys, how you doing? Welcome back. It's me, M. Williams. This is a razor comb, and look, I've already done like a quick wig or quick weave on this mannequin with blue hair. And this is blue hair. It's like a royal blue. And I've already did like a template, like a preliminary cut. And the razor that I had, it was like dull than a mug. The razor I had that I did this preliminary cut on, like this template cut, just, pre-cut, just the razor was dull than a mug. So I had to get another razor. This is a brand new razor, and to be honest, commercial hair, which we call it sometimes, which is just fake hair, weave hair, it dulls out the razors like really, really quick. So, this is pretty much like a pixie. I've been doing a lot of like short hair styles, short pixies and shorter styles, just to show some variety on my channel. I have some older pixie styles too on there, on my some uploads on there. So I'm just putting a little mousse on here. Yeah, on my channel I have some older pixie uploads too. You can go back and look at. But just wanted to do one that, blue is my favorite color. You're going to see on this video that my nails are blue. My car is blue. I'm just doing the most so with this blue here, but it's my favorite color. So pretty much, like I said, I did like a preliminary cut on the mannequin, which the mannequin is bald pretty much. Totally bald, and I just made did a quick weave on the mannequin with this beautiful blue hair. And so I did a preliminary template cut, or whatever you like to term it as. And my razor comb was dull, dull, dull. So now I'm just going back and just checking the cut, making it cleaner, making it more crisp, cleaning it up. Because like I said, the first razor comb I used, which I didn't show you that when I did that cut. That's why when the video started, it looked like the mannequin looked like the hair had already been cut. So now, just cleaning the cut up, putting some layers in it, just tweaking it out. Cleaning the cut up with this brand new razor. This is a brand new razor, so. But like I said, when you cutting this type hair, weave hair, these razors, the hair will dull the razor out like really quick. Very quick. So I'm just going in, just putting some layers, just razor cutting. I like using razor too, because especially on commercial hair, because it doesn't give you the blunt look at all. And so you've been seeing me do a lot of pixies, like I said, just to show you the versatility. And I like having different stuff on my channel. I don't want to be no one-trick pony, not trying to be one. And just showing you a variety of things on my channel. You're going to see travel, vlogging, hair, advice, encouragement, just a variety of things on my channel. And so hopefully you'll consider subscribing if you're not already. And if you're new to my channel and viewing it, this blue is beautiful. Blue is my favorite color. So again, I'm just kind of checking the cut. Just doing that by kind of moving the hair around. Just moving the hair from side to side. Kind of moving the mannequin head around. Trying to look on the left, look on the right. Just doing a check, putting it in front. Now I'm looking in the camera. So it's pretty much pixie Now I'm molding. I'm gonna mold it. Molding the hair. So just putting this mousse on here, molding it down. Again, a pixie with a longer fringe, which you can kind of change it up. You can have the hair going forward in the front or going to the side. There's so many different ways you can wear it. And then when you leave it longer, that's even more.